What's up, guys? Welcome. Just taking care of this real quick. Alright, swiping the laptop screen so I could be able to better show you guys my charts and things. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, welcome everyone to today's session. And I'm not going to be too long today. Just want to go get straight to the point. As you guys know, we're in the market to make money. And I'm going to show you how you could be able to do that for yourself. All right. Welcome everyone joining in. I appreciate you all tuning in. Go ahead and share this live to your friends and family. Because what I'm going to be talking about is all facts. All right. Oh, they changed. IG must have been updated. They changed the way things looking now with the likes. All right, let me just pen this real quick. Okay, great. So today's session is going to be about how to overcome obstacles in the market and having the right mindset to finish the week strong. As you guys know, in the market, it have not been smooth the past couple of days. I know it haven't been smooth for me, although I made profit, but it wasn't my easiest week where I've made profits like that. I was in with some right trades, but it's not the smoothest week overall with other moves that happen as well. So, as you guys know, we had USD news yesterday around 2 p.m. And that news did like a major wick. I'm going to show you guys a little bit what that did. So right here, I'm going to show my screen here. Also, I'm going to go on Zoom so I can be able to draw on my screen and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, let's see. Okay, we are in a couple of signals as well. Again, it haven't not been the smoothest week, but we are making profit. That's the good thing. As long as we are making profits, that's what matters the most. All right, so let's get right into it. Going to share this. Just a second here. All right. Okay, this is my charts right here. All right. And this is one of the pairs that I was trading, and look what happened. All right. This happened with news at 2 p.m. yesterday. It went up. It went down first, actually. I was watching it. It went down first, and then it went up. Okay. Things like this happen is to take people out the market. And a lot of times before the market go in a major direction long term, it does things like this, like this move right here. It does things like this because, they want to take as much traders as they can so they do not take advantage of the sell here. Like me, myself, I'm in the sell for RUSD. That was actually one of the signals that I called. Now, was this easy? No. Was it smooth? No, it was not. Stop loss triggered before I could actually get the move and make profit. And this is why I want to talk about mindset today, because a lot of times you guys start seeing some reds on your screen and you want to give up and you feel down and you feel like the strategy don't work, or you doing something wrong, whatever is going on. You feel down and you feel like this thing doesn't work, but it does work. It's just that you just made a small mistake. Like me myself, I make mistakes too. All right. I'm not always 100% accurate on all of my trades. I'm not 100% accurate of all of my trades. But do I make money in the Forex market? Yes, I do make money in the Forex market. And that's important. That's what's important most. Now, I'm able to make money because I use the jackpot strategy. All right. Without the strategy, I wouldn't be as successful today. Now, being able to use my strategy, one of the indicator in the strategy is the Ichimoku cloud, which I talk about often on the YouTube channel. If you follow me on YouTube, you subscribe to my channel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I was able to use this as well to find perfect entries. And after the news happened, took some people out, I sent the re-entry signal for a sell around this area here. So I sent a re-entry sell around this area, and now we are in profit overall. So right now, price is going in our favor. Let's calculate how many pips. $105 pips right now, currently running. That's good. That's good news for us. I closed some of my trades, and I'm letting the rest run. All right. Now, this is the price falling underneath Ichimoku cloud, making it sell. And, you know, the jackpot strategy, and I'm just showing you one indicator from the jackpot strategy. But the strategy that I use, what it does is it's supposed to show me what to do. Basically, showing me where to enter, where to get out, if I should step out. So most of my analysis that I sent, all of my analysis that I sent are based off that strategy. Even the bot that I'm working on is based off that strategy. Now, a lot of people, they're looking for something that's 100% accurate or even 90% accurate. That's rare to find. There's not a lot of traders that even have the accuracy that I have. Okay, so it's not something easy to come across. This is why you want to strive every day to become the best trader that you could become, by simply doing the work, by analyzing your chart, by doing the necessary things that's required for you to reach that professional level. Now, even once you do reach a professional level, are you going to take losses? Yes, you are still going to take losses, but you're going to make more money than you lose. Myself, I made money this week, I lost money this week, and I made more money this week. Now, I lost and I made money, but overall, I made money, right? I'm in profit overall. I may not have all of my profits that I've made, but I'm in profit overall, okay? So that's a trader's life. You can't be scared of it. You can't run from it. It's just what it is. It just, you're not going to go in your career without a loss. That's why if I send a signal stop loss trigger, I just send a re-entry signal, okay? I'm not really bothered by it too much, you know, because the way I trade is I manage my risk in a way where I could be able to re-enter again. I'm not looking to do the most, you know. I'm just looking to find good entries and re-enter at the right opportunity. All right, so RUSD stop loss triggered. So I could have decided, you know what, this thing is not a good trade. I'm not gonna trade it at all, and just forget about it and miss out on all this move. Okay, now I was trading XPX 500 too, and NASDAQ 100. They selling now, but the news, I had to close all of them. I couldn't hold my trades any longer. So only thing I was able to hold was AU and EU, but even those I had to close. I had to close those as well. So in saying that, you know, it's a skill to be able to get out when you need to. Like right here, the only reason I got out, not because, you know, I was scared or anything like that. I just didn't want price to continue going up long term when the news happened, because I know we are in a buy trend. Did I expect the sell to come? Yes. Matter of fact, I called that sell way before it happened. Wow, this dropping rigorously. We're going towards the last TP, guys. Strap your seatbelt. All right. Now, RUSD is going, and that's good. That's good news for us because we need it to go. Right? That's how we make profit, by price going in all right direction. Does it happen all of the time? No, it does not. But does it happen for us? Yes, like right here. All right. Now, this is not the only signal that's doing good. I had USD CHF this week also. That I got a couple trades in. You know, GU is also selling too. For those that don't know, I'll give it to you for free. GU is also selling. All right. Now, the mindset is, do not get scared when a stop loss is triggered. Right? Don't be afraid when you take a small loss. Okay, guys? Don't be afraid. Like, you guys, you need to focus on growth, right? Focus on growth. Like, the reason why I still trade small account is for you guys, really. Yeah, it's the extra money. It's great, yeah. But it's really for you guys, just to show you that, you don't need a lot of money to trade. Because sometimes you guys may think, oh, he only make money because he have a big account. But that's not the case. I was making money with smaller account before I had a bigger account. So, in saying that, I still trade these $500 account, $3K account, just so I could be an example to you all of what possible for you, right? I record these videos and post them on YouTube just as motivation for you guys, because I know you could do it too. It's just that you have to apply yourself. I don't need to trade $500 account. I just do it for fun. Like I did the 500 to 4K. That's for fun. I was not worried. Oh my God, I don't want to lose. I didn't care about 500 like that. I just do it just so I could show you that you could do it too. Now that account is growing. My goal is to grow it to 5K. And then I'm going to post it on the FX Capital Online, not FX Capital Online page, but our YouTube channel, FX Capital Online YouTube channel, Project Millionaire channel. So I'm gonna post it there once it's ready. I got 2 videos I'm working on that's gonna be coming out, fire videos. Okay, I'm working on content for you all. The first one is gonna be the 500 to 5K one, or 4K. And the next one is how I was able to make the 20,000 to go get the watch. So I'm still working on that video. I'm going to pick up the watch this weekend, and I'm going to record that scene as well. Show you guys the whole transaction, going to the bank, taking the money, all that good stuff. So this thing is real. I do this on a daily basis, and it's nothing I would rather do, than what I'm doing right now currently. So, hang in there, guys. Take a loss. It's okay, because I've taken losses myself. And, I felt down before. I felt Forex is never going to work out before. I've been there before. It sucks. It actually sucks. But, keep in mind that if you stop doing it, what else you are going to do? Nothing. There's nothing for you to do. If you stop right now, what are you going to do? All right, get a job? There's no job. Okay? So you have to do it. You have to do it. Right? You have to just make it work. Maybe you could try something else like drop shipping or something like that, or join the credit repair business or something like that. Whatever. But I tell you this, none of these things will ever pay more than Forex. All right? Look, there's not a grind that you guys could do right now that's going to pay more than Forex. This is the truth. Today I could have traded US 30 and came up. Could have traded NASDAQ and came up. Could have traded any pair and came up. And I could do that like on demand. I could make money on demand. Like if I want to make $1,000 right now, I could make it on demand. I may lose it too, but I could make it on demand. I could say, okay, this week and make 1,000. Like the way I was able to get my watch that I'm about to get. I seen the watch. I liked it. It was nice, diamond, bust down. I like the red face. And I told myself, I need 18,000 to get that watch. I already had the money. I was thinking maybe just get it out of my account and pay for it, blah, blah. But then I thought to myself, it would be cool to record it and come up with a plan to say, hey, I'm going to try to make this money from trading live, all right, on a specific pair. Then I noticed we had some good opportunities this week on USD JPY and other pairs that I was trading. So I decided to record, and boom, it just happened like that. So I've made the amount of money that I need based on strategy, based on my strategy, based on what I know, based on knowledge. Now, the next step is to just get that money and go get what I want. Now, you guys can do the same thing, and you do the same thing. Because if you want to pay your phone bill this week, get it from Forex. If you want to pay your rent, make it from Forex. It's not going to be easy. That's the thing. It's not going to be easy. A lot of people don't like when I say that, but it's the truth. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it. Okay, it's not easy, but worth it. And when it's worth it, that means you're gonna go and make whatever amount that you want. You say you want this car, you go get this car. There's not a car right now I can't get. Really, I could get any car I want. Really, could literally do it because I could go in the market, get the amount. Right? If I'm missing some amount to get the car, I'll give myself a timeline, maybe a month, 2 months, 6 months, depending on how much I need, and I'll make that money. I'll go get that car. It's that simple, right? If I want to increase my lifestyle, I just make more money and go ahead and increase my lifestyle. That's it. It's just right in the market. I go in and do what I have to do and make the money. Now, when I'm saying it, it sounds smooth. It sounds easy. It sounds like you just go in and you make the money and that's it. It sounds like that, but it's really not. This is why knowledge comes in, all right? This is where information, the right information come in, okay? Because you could have the information. There's people that study Forex day and night. They still suck. They don't make no money. It may be some of you guys right now watching this. No offense. It's just what it is. The problem is you spending time learning the wrong things. Guys, you stop learning the wrong things, right? You want to learn the right thing, right? There's a lot of courses out there online. There's a lot of ways to trade Forex, but why are these people are not consistent? There's a reason for it, right? There's a reason. You have to understand, guys, like everyone want to be great. Deep down inside, everyone want to be great. Everyone want to be the best. Everyone want to have great result, but why they don't have great result? There's something there, that's why. It's something that they're probably not ignoring or something. It's something there. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of strategies out there. There's a lot of people on YouTube. But why they're not consistent? Why they can't grow a $500 account to $5K like it's nothing? Why? There's a reason for it. Why a lot of them not millionaires? There's a reason for it. Right? There's a reason for everything. The reason I make money is because I have the knowledge. Right? I know my strategy work, and I have confidence in my strategy that it works. Right? Same thing somebody else would say for their strategy because they want to say that. But I actually know my strategy works because I have results to prove that it works. I show you on a day in, day out that it works. And I will be here for a long time to come to show you that it works. Like, what I'm doing right now is what I'm going to keep doing for the next 50 years plus to come, just at different levels. See me working with a 50K account, next is 100K, then 200K, then 300K, 500K, a million. It's just what it is. It's just what it is. It's just the lifestyle. When you in the lifestyle, you caught up in it. I can't leave the lifestyle now. Feel me? I can't do anything else right now. I'm caught up in my life. I'm caught up in my lifestyle. I'm caught up in wearing designers. I'm caught up in just having bands on me. I'm caught up looking at numbers floating on the charts. I'm just deep dive in it. I'm just deep in it. I've been in it for a long time now. You feel me? So I know it. Now, it's just like you. Maybe you will have your job and you've been doing your job for so long. You deep in it, right? It's hard to quit because you feel like your parents gonna talk bad about you. Your friends gonna talk bad about you. You don't want to quit that suck job you have because you've been doing it for so long. You're so deep in it. When you deep in it, you don't see anything else. Even if your thing suck, you're so deep in it, you don't really want to leave it because you feel like, you can't leave what you're doing. Look, I'll tell you this. I got friends and family. What they're doing suck, but they will never really want to do Forex because they're so caught up in what they're doing. They're so deep in what they're doing. To them, what they're doing is the best, right? It's just like I think what I'm doing is the best. Right? To them, they think what they're doing is the best, but it's really not. I know it's not. They know it's not. But to them, it's the best. Like that's why they deep in it. They dive in. They sold out. Right? They're not don't do anything else. And you don't want to be that type of person. If something out there is better than what you're currently doing, leave that and go do what's better. Right? I know people talk about, you got to do work with your passion, blah, blah, but passion don't pay the bill. Right? Forex wasn't my passion. It became my passion. Right? I actually hated Forex because you lose. How can I like something that you lose in it? Until I realized you could win too. And you could win more than you lose. Right? So everything, there's pros and cons. There's pros and cons to everything. Right? Your job. You may not lose money, but you could get fired. You could, hey, pandemic happened, boom, you lost your job. That job ain't shit. You lost it. Where is it now? Because it ain't shit. So Forex is still here because it's the shit. All right? So you have to do Forex. You have to do it because it works. It's the best thing in the world. I'm caught up and I'm just deep in the game. I can't see anything else to do. Just like right now, maybe you caught up in network marketing and you don't see anything else that's better than what you're doing right now. I remember I used to sell insurance. When I was doing insurance, I was caught up in doing that. I thought doing that was the best thing because I didn't know anything. I didn't know any better. I didn't have any other opportunity. Right? When I was doing my thing, selling insurance and doing all these other things, I thought that was the best thing to do. So I did it. And I went hard because I thought that was the best thing until I found about Forex. Now, even after I found about Forex, it took me time to actually realize that Forex is the best because I was still caught up in what I was doing, like my grind, that things that pay me. It's hard for somebody to just stop what they're doing and go do something completely new, especially if they've been doing it for a long time. It's very hard, guys. I want to say that because I know some of you guys going through that right now. You don't know if you should just quit what you're doing and then do this full time. You don't know if Forex is the right move. You don't know. You're just waiting for more confirmation. What are you waiting for, man? You waiting to see what happens. Like, God, you gotta do the work. You gotta do the work. If you do the work, then you're going to have success, right? Stop looking and say, oh, let me see if this person have success in Forex. Oh, let me see if this person have success in Forex. Let me see if this person have success in Forex. Oh, all right, now I do it. That's not the right way. When I started doing Forex, not a lot of people had success in Forex. Maybe 1 or 2, 3 probably was doing their thing in Forex. But I didn't say, Forex don't have a lot of people winning in it, so I'm not going to do it. I didn't say that. I said, this industry is pretty new. A lot of people don't really know much. And a lot of people just now starting to learn it. So I thought to myself, if I could get in early, right? If I could get in early and be able to learn this craft while it's hot, while it's early, no one know about it. Later on, when people starting to catch on, then I'll be the best. I'll be a pro. And that's what we in right now. Reality, fast forward to now, right? Now, the pandemic happened, coronavirus, people lost their job. Now everyone want to do Forex. Now I'm in a position where I already know and I could provide for those people that want to learn. Right? It's all planned out. It didn't happen overnight. So I thought to myself, like, yeah, I don't know it, but if I could learn it, I'll become very good at it in 3 to 5 years. And that's what happened. Fast forward 3 to 5 years, I'm a great trader. Everyone around the world want to work with me. Why? Because of my result. I'm not forcing anyone to work with me. It's my result. It's just, what I do. All right, now here's one thing. This shocks a lot of people. I never had a mentor in Forex. So I didn't ever had like somebody to tell me, hey, you should be doing this. You should be doing that. You could do this instead. Like I really I didn't even have friends like that did Forex. And if they did, they weren't doing it like I was always the one going harder. In my surrounding, in my group of people, I was always the one going harder, doing the most, like trying to become the best. That was always like my type of vibe. Like that's how I've always been. So people around me were not really like at it, just learning and going about it. So everything I learned was just experiencing through the chart, just going in, take trades, see what happens, and then take notes. This happened at this time. Next time I'm gonna do this instead. Blah 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 blah. All that good stuff. That's how I learned. I went in and look at indicators, look what indicator mean, and then I just do it and then I learned it. Over time, I got better at what I was doing, and it became now who I am today. Jackpot, make profits in the market, consistent. But it didn't happen like that overnight. It took some time, and I'm grateful for all the experience that I've been through. There's a lot of people that not a lot, but a couple people that was with me as well in the beginning. Some of these people, most of these people, I'm not really affiliated or working with them because it's not the same. We don't have the same goals. You know, we don't see things the same way. You know, like I said, I always had my own way and my own vibe, my own, you know, way of doing things. So it was either, you know, I'm always looking for leaders and people that are loyal, you know, people that are looking to go to the next level and actually willing to do the work. A lot of people say they want to be great. A lot of people say they want to be a great trader. A lot of people say, yeah, I'm going to do the work. But realistically, after like a couple of days, no work, you know. You don't do the action that you said you was going to take. You don't go in the chart and actually find an indicator or two. You don't analyze your chart, all right? How many people in the members, FX Capital Online, out of the 1,500 plus members we have, how many people do you think analyze their chart? Very few. And that's the truth. And this is why a lot of them will never be a professional trader. Now, is it possible for people to become a professional trader? Yes, because we have the tools already there to help you guys become professional trader. We have the one-on-one mentorship as well that we're going to open back up to help people become a professional trader. But you doing the work is the next big thing. If you can't do the work for yourself, then I can't help you. If you're going to hang around and just wait for signals and don't go over the academy, and that's you. It's not me. You always just, what my job is to be a leader, show you could grow small account, and show it to you online. That's all I could do. Grow money, grow big account, grow small account, send signals, profitable signals, and show you that you could do it too. That's it. That's all I could do. All right? But you have to go on the chart and actually learn for yourself so you could start making your own decision. And again, don't get scared when you lose. Losses happen to everyone. I lost on this pair before I made money on it. And that's okay. Right? So if you new, then just do the work. Go to beginner's training. Learn that. Learn the beginner's training and learn what you have to do. See, the problem is when somebody first starts something, they want to see result right now. They want to see result right away. Right? They want to see result right away, then it's not it. It's not going to work out because you're not going to be patient with yourself. A lot of people, they join because they're broke, because they need money. And I understand. Look, trust me, I understand. I was there. Now, when you join, you want results right now. You want to grow your $200, $500 account today, this week. All right, that's why they be asking them, when is the next signals? Or when are you going to send the next signals? Or can I still enter this signal as soon as they sign up? Why? Because it's like everyone want to make money. I feel you guys. I understand. Look, I truly feel you want to make money. But you're going to notice this. Whenever you're in a rush and you're not patient, and I've learned this from experience, whenever you're in a rush and you're not patient with yourself and you want money so bad, you're going to end up losing money because you're scaring the money away. You have to put yourself in a position where you allow the money to come to you, right? You have to be in a sense of abundance, no lack. Lack emotions, things like that. You know, oh man, being mad when you see negative $10, being mad when you see negative $5, $20. These things make you lose, guys. Because you so broke that you want it so bad. Like, oh, I just got to make this money. I feel you. You feel me? Yeah, I was there too. But that mindset make you lose. And this is how you know you in the wrong side of trading. When you brand new and you start with $100 account, right? A $200 account, and you trying to come up, right? You're trying to make $5K, right? You're trying to make $3K, right? You're trying to do that. So what you do is you go ahead and do a dollar lot size, a 50-cent lot size, maybe on US 30 or some shit like that. Whatever pair you guys want to trade. You go ahead and do an over risk. What happened next? You blow your account right away. And then what happened after that? You feel like Forex don't work. You feel like it sucks. You feel like, maybe I made the wrong decision. Right? You feel like that this thing is not working. And when you lose, this is what happened when you lose. When you lose, what happened is now you're in a mindset of you got to make up for that loss. That's one, because you lost. You got to make up for it. And not only make up, you still have to make profit. So you're in a worse situation than you were before. This thing is crazy. It's funny. Right? It's a real life psychology going behind this, you know? Now, you're in a worse position than before. So now you think, damn, I got to try again. Maybe you take a break and you try again. But then when you try again, guess what? You do the same mistake, right? The same mistake, right? Because you still trying to come up. Why are you trying to come up now? Because you lost. When you lose, you're trying to make up for what you lose and try to make some profit over it. That's what happens. I'm telling you the whole psychology that goes behind this, so you prepare yourself. Now, when you do that, you end up losing again because you're doing the wrong thing. You over-risking your account. That's number one. And you're trying to make money quick, which is okay to do, but just have the knowledge first. Now, at the same time, you may come up, right? You may come up and make some profit, right? And once you make profit, you feel like, I got the hang of this. Yes. You feel like you're nice. You feel like you could do it. And this is what happens when that happens. All right? When you make profit, don't feel too excited. Just relax. Because what happened is you feel like you got the hang of it. You feel like you can't lose, right? You go back and you risk it again with probably bigger lot size because you won now. You feel like you could do it again, right? Once you do that, now you start losing. All right, guys, don't underestimate what I'm saying here, right? This is the truth. What I'm saying is I went through it myself and it hurt so bad. Like, it hurt. What I'm saying right now, I wish my future self right now, me right now, went back 4 or 5 years ago and set me down like we were saying right now and say, look, man, this was going to happen. You're going to enter, you're going to do this, you're going to do that, you're going to do this, that. If somebody told me this, I would have saved so much money that I would not blow my account. I would not have blown so many $200 account that I did. Or so many $500. It took me at least probably a dozen plus $100, $200 account, $300 account to finally realize that I need to manage my risk better. I need to do 1 cent. Stop trying to come up. Stop trying to do these big lot size. And I also realized I could still make money with a small lot size. What I have to do is hold my trade long term so I could actually cash the pips. Right? I need to hold my trade long term so I could actually cash the pips. And then I started doing that. Right? I started doing 1 cent. When I seen drawdown, I didn't really panic much because I was only doing 1 cent compared to before I was doing a 20 cent on a $200 account. Right? And then over time, I just got better and better and better and better. That's how you guys are supposed to trade. But no, a lot of you don't listen. You go and you just trying to come up. You risk your $200 account. You risk your $500 account. Now you lose. You're in a worse position than before. And now you feel like Forex don't work. And then you go around telling people, I tried that. It didn't work out. You didn't work. Forex worked. You didn't work. So understand that going in towards the end of the week this week, okay? Trade the right way so you could actually make money and don't blow your account, right? Because you're not going to be 100% correct, right? Me, myself, I was trying to sell RUSD, right? And that's with knowledge, too. It's not just me off the top of my head. With knowledge, I was trying to sell RUSD, but stop loss triggered. See, if I was over-risking my account, maybe I could have blown my account. But I did not over-risk my account. No matter what balance I have, I trade the right way. I have a 100K account. I'm trading the right way. I'm not going to over-risk my account because I have 100K. Right? Some of you guys, if you guys have 100K in your account, you're going crazy. And that's when you learn a hard lesson. Okay? Because things happen, you know. It's not, look, guys, when stop loss trigger, it's not me. It's not me. I try my best. If stop loss trigger is not me, I tried my best, bro. It's the market that do that. It's the market that do that. All right? The market make the price go against. Now, I could do a better job and work on myself. I could work on myself to have better entries later on, right? I could work on myself to enter a little bit better entry by having patience, right? By having patience next time. I could do that. I could work on myself. But the market going against me, like right here, come on. I did the right thing. I saw that Ichimoku leading at moving averages right there. I saw it there. If this happened, look, it went down and it went up. If this happened, there's nothing you could do about it. You got to take a loss. The problem is, and this happened on EU, GU, AU, XPX 500, US 30, NAS 100. I know this because I was trading those pairs too. And I couldn't hold. Usually I could hold, but this time I couldn't hold. That was a news scandal, right? So I had to be patient, you know, and just wait for it again. Now, because stop loss trigger, did I tell myself, oh my God, this strategy sucked, blah, blah. Oh my God, I lost money, blah, blah. I didn't think that. This is what a lot of you guys think. Oh my God, this thing sucks, strategy sucks, blah, 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 blah. All of that is just noise in your head, right? To miss out on this, right? When a stop loss trigger, I hurry up and shake it off so I could move forward to the next pair or the next opportunity. You got to shake it off. And you shake it off, and then you re-enter. I re-entered. I was able to make profit. All right? Drop. Low, 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 low. That's it. Now, price is going down nicely. Good thing I didn't give up, right? Good thing stop loss trigger for 45 pips. Good thing I didn't give up and I was able to catch 130, 140, right? This is the mindset. Because I'm saying this because sometimes you guys lose and you quit. You say it sucks. You say the strategy don't work. But it's not it. It's not it at all. It's not it at all. Understand that there are losses in the market and you need to do your best to find the best entries possible to your best of your ability. Look, stop loss trigger, that's okay. That's okay. And this is why I teach the way I teach is because a lot of times you probably see traders, they do one lot size like this. A $1 lot, a 20 cent, something like that. You see. But me, I don't do that. I do 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, something like that. I stack my trades, right? There's a reason why I stack my trades. I stack my trades because if I do a $1 lot size here and this thing go against me, I'm automatically losing right away. Right away. I'm losing right away. But with my concept of trading, with the way I trade, if I do a 20 cent instead of a $1 lot, yes, I still wanted to do a $1 lot, but I do a 20 cent first. It retraces, I add a 20 cent. Now I'm at 40. And it goes, I add another one, that's 60. And it goes, I add another one, 80. And then it goes again, I add another one, a $1 lot. By the time I reach here, I'm walking away with 1K profit. Right? Because I'm not in a rush to make money. Right? Most traders do one lot size, that's it. That's cool, but that's not the... You have to work with the chart. You got to trade the trend. All right? As it goes, you got to find your way. All right? Now, I usually only teach this to my members, but I decided to share it with you all because I've been getting a lot of questions. Why do I stack trades? Guys, I stack trades for a reason. I stack trades so I could be able to hold my trades and make money. So I could be able to add lot size as this goes in my direction. See, the problem is you do a $1 lot size, the pullback scare you already get out. Instead, do a smaller lot size. The pullback don't scare you. You could hang in there because it's still going the right direction anyway. Right? It goes the right direction anyway. Right? That's how I trade. I'm doing that on an 80K account. I could do a dollar lot. I could do a $10 lot. I could do a $5 lot. That's nothing. But why do I do a 20 cent instead? Why? There's a reason for it, right? It's a reason why I do that, because that same 20 cents made me 20 plus K. 20 cents made me 20 plus K. Of course, I added lot size as it was going, but it made me 20K. You guys think because small lot size, it don't give a lot of money. It gives a lot of money once it start adding up. As price adds up, it gives you a lot of money. Right now, I'm stacking on the most recent signal that was sent. As this thing goes my way, I'm going to keep stacking and make more money in it. Now, of course, I'm not doing a dollar lot right now, because what if it pull back again, right? Of course, I'm not doing a $5 lot right now. What if it pull back again, right? Yeah, I know that's the lot size. I'm able to do it, I can afford to do it. But why would I do that? It makes no sense. Why? Guys, you all know price don't go fast. You know that it doesn't go fast. When you get in a trade, it doesn't go right away. Facts or no? When you enter a trade, it does not go right away. So if it doesn't go right away, then you have to be able to hang in there. if you get in a $5 lot size and it goes against you, you scared because you did a $5 lot size. You're losing 1K, 2K right away. And you're like, oh my God, man, I got to step out this trade. I'm about to blow my account. And you step out your trade and you lost. And now you took a real loss. Now you got to make up for that. And price ended up going in the right direction. Oh, man, I've been a victim too many times. That's why I never trade the way like that again. I don't care what trader doing. I don't care what this trader doing. I'm going to stick with my stacking trades. Yep. Right? Because it pays me. It pays me. I made 20 plus K this week of that. Right? Stacking trade. I could have did a $10 lot and made 20K. I could have did that. I could have did that. But why didn't I? Why did I do 20 multiple times? Why? There's a reason for it. Risk management is always key. Protecting equity. Not giving the market all of your money. Right? You give your market all of your money right away. You going big boy or $10 lot. Like you think you this shit. You don't do a $10. You don't even have more than 10K in your account. You doing a $10. I could do a $10 lot like it's nothing. And I still don't. Right? Trying to do these big lot size trying to come up. Guys, come on. Relax, slow your roll. Do your lot size. Right? And if you can, and you have an extra 200, 300, 400 to risk, and you want to take a big risk and see how that goes, hey, you could try it. You could go for it. But long term, if you want to keep making money consistently, you have to have a plan. You have to have a way of how you're going to make that money. And it's not going to be by you doing a $5 lot size thinking you're going to make it right away. It's not going to be by you doing a $10 lot size thinking you're going to come up. All right? You blow your account real quick. All right? When you blow your account, if you don't listen to me, you'll hear me in your head. Ha, 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 ha. I told you. You just stack your trades. Stack your trades. Because you're going to do the lot size anyway. Once it adds up, it's that amount that you wanted anyway. You're just not doing it all right away. So that's something that I teach my members. And I wanted to share it with you all as well for today. Because, there's a lot more things that I talk about with my members. I also have different strategies that I use as well that I could share with my members as well. There's a lot of things that I have, a lot of things that I'm working on and that I could share. So, guys, if you could learn this concept, it's going to save you a lot of money. I'm telling you. It definitely saved me a lot of money. It helped me grow any small account to whatever I want. And you could learn to do the same thing. You could learn to do the same thing. All you have to do is become a member at fxcapitalonline.com. fxcapitalonline.com, right there. You log into that, right? And then become a member, right? This is the pricing, and this is what you'll get. You go on that website for some more information, right? We also have the Elite Members tab once you log in. is for elite members, and that will be for one-on-one members. So the one-on-one mentorship is going to open back up real soon, and we're going to start accepting new one-on-one members before we start doing the class. We're just gonna put everyone on a standby because we're not ready yet for the one-on-ones. And from there, once you become a one-on-one member, and right now the one-on-one membership is only available for already members. So if you're not a member, you cannot take the one-on-one mentorship with me. All right, you have to become a member first, pay the $275, and then you get the one-on-one mentorship. Or you become a lifetime member, so you get the one-on-one mentorship included as well. So this is a big deal right here. You become a lifetime member where you never have to pay again, and you get the one-on-one mentorship as well. All right, in the one-on-one mentorship, I explain exactly the concept I was just talking about, not going in the market in a way where, too in a rush with big lot size. We talk about that. We talk about how to stack trades, how to use the indicators to find perfect entries, perfect exit points. I have a bunch of testimonials that I'm going to share with you all, so you know this thing is worth it. We have an elite tab that will be just for a one-on-one mentorship only. It's going to have more advanced content on there. It's going to be expanding that concept I was talking about with adding the lot size, and as it goes over time, you could, add lot size, all these things. There's a PDF that's gonna be on there that's gonna give you exactly how to find the entries and how to exit. It's gonna be on a PDF on that tab as well. So you have to become a one-on-one member to get that. We also have a separate group for that mentorship group as well. It's called the Elite Members Group. It's the Elite Members Group. So once you become a one-on-one member, you will have access to that elite group. So we're going to open up that one-on-one mentorship again, and we're going to start accepting students probably by Monday or so, a little bit earlier than the 22nd. We're going to start accepting students and have people waiting on standby. And then once we get back from our trip, then we'll be able to start doing the sessions for one-on-one. As for account management, go ahead and contact Jackpot Management or managementjackpot@gmail.com for more information on that. The fund is growing day by day, and we are having profits, results like it's nothing. My members, my investors, they're going to be very happy by the end of the month. Looking forward to a great return. I'm talking about max return as things are playing out right now. It's looking good. So if you want to be a part of that and you want to benefit off my skill set and make money while I make money for myself, you want to make money with me, you could invest in me, invest in that fund account, so you could start making a monthly residual, because I'm going to keep making money. I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So you could create yourself a little monthly residual just by working with me. All right, so guys, believe in yourself and trust the process. All right, this is the best advice. I'm going to give two advice right now, and for two different type of people. Advice for success. If you are a new trader and you have some money, I recommend you become a member. Learn the strategy. Invest in the Jackpot Management, minimum $3K, so you can have a consistent income coming in every month while you are learning, while you are taking my signals. Even if you have a good month or bad month, you are still able to come and make money with me if you invest in the management. All right. So if you invest in my management account, you will be able to have a residual income coming in, so you could be able to, maneuver and work and do what you got to do. Nice. So you're not stressing too much. If you have a bad week in the month trading for yourself, just know that I will come through with profits, things like that. If you have some money on the side and you want to invest, you don't want to blow it, you want to do the right thing, I recommend that. Now, if you do not have any money and all you have is the money to sign up and to open a $100 account, that's no problem. What I recommend is for you to go ahead and become a member, right? And take your time by investing in yourself. Be patient with yourself. Don't try to rush things. Don't try to come up. If you have a $50 account, work that $50 account like it was your last. Don't over risk it and think and say, oh, it's just $50 account. Or don't risk $200 and just say, oh, it's just $200. Yeah, it's just $200, but that's all you have, right? You don't have money for rent. So it's not just $200. So you have to take it easy, all right? Relax and be patient with yourself. Try to grow at your own pace. You know, I know you may see other people in the group chat winning and you feel like, man, I wish it was me. But look, these people were once losers too. They just find themselves a way to go and be on the winning side, okay? Guys, all I'm saying is the truth because I was once in all those positions. So I could tell you about it because I was there. So, 2 advice. If you have some money, invest with me so you could make that consistent return every month while you are learning. If you're new, be patient with yourself. Get the course, work on your account, save up for the one-on-one mentorship so you could get yourself to the next level. All right, so that's all for today's session. Like I said, I'm not going to go hold you guys too long today because there's a lot of things going on in the market and I want to take advantage. I'm still growing that account. My goal is to make it to 500 to 5K, then I'll drop a video on YouTube. If I don't make it to 5K, then I'll just do 500 to 4K and drop a video on YouTube. And then this weekend, I'm going to be out, looking out, going to get my jewelry on and things like that, man. So, hey, Cornell, man, I think you in Atlanta, man. Hit me up in my messages, man. We gotta talk. I'm gonna go there to pick up my jewelry. You know what I'm saying? My diamond watch. I'll probably get me a new chain, probably some bracelets. I'm gonna check out some dope spots that they have. Probably just see what I want. Do some shopping first, and then pick the jewelry that I want. You know, because I already made the money. Blessed and grateful for Xpaid. So yeah, man, I'm excited and I'm looking forward to a great end of the month with you all because soon the real action in the market is going to be towards the end of the month to close out that second quarter. So going into that third quarter is going to be big. All right. So expect big moves in the market. You already see US 30 doing big moves. Okay. You already see XPX 500 doing big moves. Matter of way, I called all these moves on my live webinar on Sunday. I promise. You know, I could pull up the webinar and share it with you. I've called those moves. US 30 sell. XPX 500 sell. I've called these moves in my live webinar on Sunday. All right. Now, it's just a matter of time. You just relax. Do your time in the market. Be patient with yourself. And do the right thing. Do the time. Study. Work hard. That's what I do. Right? That's what I do. So if you do the same thing, you're going to have success. You're going to start winning. I just wanna say this real quick. All right? I just want to say this. Everyone wants to be a winner. Everyone wants to be great. The issue is, are they willing to put in the work day in and day out to be a winner, to be great? Right? That's the key. I wanted to be a winner once in my life. Now I'm a winner because I did the work. I learned. I found out what I needed to do. Right? Everyone want to be a winner. But there's certain things you have to do until you get there. And it's not that much things. You just have to do a certain amount of things to get there. And I promise you, if you continue going and you don't give up, right? You learn from your mistake. You grow as a trader. You become better, right? You take losses, you bounce back, you grow. Over time, you will become a great trader. I promise you, you will become a great trader. Now I'm a great trader and still working on my skill set till this day, every single day, because I need to get better. If I need to get better, what about you? You got to get better as well. So keep pushing, guys. It's not easy. If we already accept that it's not easy. We already accept the fact that it's not easy. But if we could keep working at it, day in, day out, we learn something and we apply it the next day. We keep doing it over and over. Weeks go by, months go by, years go by. Result. That's what happens. right? You do it just like that. Day in, day out. Work on your craft. Looking at charts. Weeks, months, years, result. Just like that. But you have to do the time. You have to do the time. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully, you guys could do your time in the market so you can start having success and take care of your family the way you would like to. So that's all for today. If you would like to become a member, go ahead and sign up at fxcapitalonline.com, and we will be glad to work with you and help you get to the next level. So that's all for today's session. I'll talk to you all soon. Peace out. By the way, our recent signal is doing good and profit. Let's go.